Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the ngSwitch structural directive. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the ngSwitch is a structural directive that allows you to display one of many DOM elements based on the specific condition. Currently I'm having this code, like objective is validate the age and the display the message accordingly. If the age is less than 18, show the message you are underage. If the age is between 18 and 16, you are an adult, and the age is above 60, show you are a senior citizen, right? So this is the code that I'm doing with the ngSwitch, right? On the behalf of conditionally it will work. So so here we have, so there is a ngSwitchCase and ngDefault case. Okay, so I need to just go with this, my component, my html file. Okay, then we have an ngSwitch with age category. Okay, let's define all of this. We have a age category and the validate function. Okay, let's try to add this in our component file. So here we have this. Okay, updated. So here we have defined the age number, users age input, age category based on the users age. Okay, and this is like a, we are going to update this category if the age is null or is less than 0, then blank, then 18 underage, 60 adult, else senior. Okay, let's try to render this, and here we have this. Please enter your age. Okay, so here I'm going to add if 18 you are an adult, if we go with the 60, okay, above 61, then you are a senior citizen. So here you can see that we have a switch cases. Let's check this. Okay, here I have the full-fledged, you can okay, let's validate this. So how we can go with the ngSwitch? This is a syntax, that is ngSwitch, and this is our variable that we have come from the, you can say about the component, that is age category. By default you can say about the age category is empty. Okay, so when I click on the validate the age, so here we have the validate the age, right? So here you can see, just word wrap this. So when I press the validate age, and whatever the value of the age come to that function, validate age. So this dot age, it comes from, by default it's run when I try to add this one, because we are using the ng model, two-way binding I'm using. Okay, so when I get the age as an input, so it will come from here, right? So I will get this value of the age, right? So when I get this values, according to it, on the behalf of it, I will add the condition and return the specific value from it. Okay, and here you can see, after validating age, ng switch case, because if I underage, then you are underage. ng switch case adult, if it is adult is coming, then you are an adult. ng switch case, if you are a senior, then you are a senior citizen. And the default, please enter a valid age. So this is how you can do that one with the ng switch in your Angular project, right? So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.